Dear students, I am Dr. Jyotsna Shirsagar, Assistant Professor, Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, College of Agriculture, Baramati. Today we are discussing the water potential. In the last lecture, we are discussing the plant-water relationship, in which we are discussing the imbibition, osmosis, diffusion, and mass flow. And now we are discussing the water potential. Then plant and water potential is the plants can use the potential energy in a water to perform the work. Tomato plants regions turgor pressures or the cell pushes against a wall due to the uptake of water. In water potential, it is difficult to explain accurately the movement of water in osmosis in terms of difference in the concentrations. The best way would be in the terms of differences in the free energy of water between the water regions. Plants and water potential is the combined effect of a solute concentration and a physical pressure is called as water potential. It can be measured as water potential in a psi. It is a symbol, and this symbol is called as psi. Is the psi, and 1 megapascal is the 10 atmospheric pressure. What is the definition of water potential? The difference between the free energy of water molecules in a pure water and energy of water in any other system is termed as water potential, and it is denoted as psi, and it is a measure in a bar. It is a measure in a bar. Next one, water potential. It is the equation. Water potential of a protoplasm is equal but opposite to the diffusion pressure or a suction pressure. Since the psi of a pure water is 0, the presence of solute particles reduce the free energy, and therefore the psi of the solution is always less than 0 or its highest value is 0. It is the equation of the water potential, and it is the water potential. Water potential is equal to the sum of the solute potential plus pressure potential plus gravitational potential. Solute potential means the solute compounds or the osmotic potential result of dissolved solutes that dilute the water. It is the entropy effect. And second one is the pressure potential. Pressure potential means the pressure components or the pressure potential. It is inside a cell, and it is a positive, and it is also called as the pressure turgor pressure. Pressure potential, it is in the apoplast and it is a negative form. Pressure potential is always 0 or it is not more than 0, and therefore it is not a measure of a absolute pressure. water potential in equation is psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P plus psi G, and its meaning of psi G is the gravity components. It ignored unless considering the vertical water movements. It depends on height of water, gravitational potential. It is depends upon the height of water above the reference states, or the density of water, or acceleration due to the gravity. It is the gravity potential. How to calculate the water potential? The psi W is equal to psi P plus psi S. It is the equation of, or the calculating the water potential. Pressure potential when a water flows inside a sail, it develops a hydrostatic pressure that is called as pressure potential. Means this is the pressure potential. What mean by pressure potential? When a water flows inside the sail, it develops a hydrostatic pressure that is called as pressure potential. It is may be a positive or the negative. It is may be positive or negative. In addition of pressure result in the pressure potential, while a tension result in the pressure potential. It is called as turgor pressure, or the pressure potential is also called as turgor pressure. A plasmolysis cells is a zero, and hence while in a fully turgid cells. What mean by solid potential? Then solid potential is also called as the osmotic potential, because solutes affects the direction of osmosis, or the addition of solid particles result in decreasing in and never in increases, and it may be a zero, or the it may be a zero. And why the solid potential or at atmospheric pressure it is always negative? Its answer is it is the less free water molecules to do the work for creating the pressure. That's why the solid potential is always negative. Solutes binds the water, or the solutes binds the water molecules, reduce the number of free waters. It is the ammonia dissolved in a water, then the free water molecules lowers the water ability to do the work. Then pressure potential. Pressure potential is the physical pressure or on a solution. Pressure potential can be a negative because at the time of transpiration in the xylem tissues of a plants, it is created in the time of the transpiration. Then pressure potential can be positive in a water in a living plant cells in a under the positive pressure. Negative water potential pressure potential is created at the time of transpiration, and positive pressure potential is created at the time of water in a living plant cells, or the at a time of turgidity. Standard for the measuring psi or the water potential, standard for measuring the water potential is the pure water is the standard, means it's a value is 0. Then the pure water in an open container has a water potential is a 0 at 1 atmosphere of the pressure. Then water relation in a plants is in a fully flaccid cells or the turgid cells or pure water, the osmotic potential and the pressure potential are equal, but the opposite in a sign. So water potential is a 0. Then flaccid cells in the pure water is a water potential is into the cell or cell becomes a turgid. Means your water is a pure, then water enter into the cell and your cells become a turgid. Means your cells is a fully water fully filled with the water because of your water is pure. And in these structures the flaccid cells place in a hypertonic solution, means that you are this concentration of solution in a solute is a higher, therefore your water potential is out of the cells, means your water is out of the cells, and that's why your cells become a plasmids or plasmolyzed, means your cells will be the shrinkage because of the your outer concentration of solution is a hypertonic. Then how to calculate the solute potential? It is a need the solute concentration. Then you use this equation. Solute potential is equal to ICRT. I means the particle molecule makes in a water. C for the molar concentration. R is the pressure constant is the 0.0831 liter bar mole. Then T for is the temperature. Temperature in a degree, it is a calculate in a degree or the Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degree centigrade. Then how to solve the water potential? Then knowing the solute potential, water potential can be calculated by inserting the values into the water potential equation. The water potential is equal to what pressure potential plus solute potential. In an open container, water pressure pressure potential is always 0. Then some hints and reminders. First one is remember the water always move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Then in some cases the water moves from hypertonic to hypertonic, means lower concentration to high concentration. Then solute is related to osmotic pressure, then pressure is related to pressure potential. In second point, the water moves from hypotonic to hypertonic with the help of semi-permeable membrane. Then next one is the pressure rises the water potential. Then when working problems use a 0 for a pressure potential in animal cell and open beakers. Then 1 bar of pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Then typical values for water potential is water potential is minus 0.2 to minus 0.6 megapascal Plants are never fully hydrated due to the transpiration. Means at the time of transpiration, your water is absorbed with the help of roots and exerted with the help of leaves, and therefore your plants cannot be hydrolyzed at any time. Then water, then solute pressure is always minus 0.5 to minus 1.5 megapascal. Then plants living in a saline or arid environments can have lower values. Then water pressure potential is always 0.1 to 1 megapascal. The positive value needed to drive a growth and provides the mechanical rigidity. Means this water potential provides the positive value to proper growth of the plants, or provides the mechanical rigidity or the mechanical support to the plants. Then now we are discussing today's is the water potential. In short, a water potential means the difference between the free energy of water molecules in a pure water and energy of a water in any other system. This called as the water potential. And this water potential is used in a it is used in a transpiration, absorption of water, and any others. Water potential is affected by the osmotic potential, pressure potential, and metric potential. These are the three different components of the water potential. Then pressure potential means what? When the water flows inside the cell, it develops a hydrostatic pressure, that is called as pressure potential. And solute potential is the addition of the solute particles result in decreasing in a and never in a increasing in the numbers. This called as a solute potential. And metric potential is refers to the matrix, and these is the components of water potential. Thank you so much everyone for today's lectures.